My name is Jeff. Welcome back to Mohawk Garage. We are about to hit this epic night ride tonight up here on the mountains near Pahrump. We're going to hit some high elevation, narrow trails, big hill climbs, and I got about 20 people with me, so it's going to be spectacular. So here we go. really good one
really
too.
good.
Forgot to hit record. No.
Fuck.
No.
Yo, it's your boy Trent Bone. Look nasty off road, baby. Feeling so good. I'm feeling real fucking good, like an off-road rider should. If you come looking for me, please don't bring that drama to the woods. I ain't bout no bad juju, I ain't bout no bad vibes, but I'm bout good music, good friends, bout to ride. I'm in a great fucking mood, like you know I always am. When I'm out here on these trails, not giving a damn. I got my lady by my side, got the cooler in the back. I got the speakers turned up and feeling way laid back. I'm feeling laid back, in my side by side. I got the cooler food all the way up, so you know we bout to motherfucking ride.
Yeah.
Safer for sure. But you know,
I pretty much always post up a ride almost every weekend.
yeah.
Feeling laid back, in my side by side. I got the music turned all the way up, so you know we bout to motherfucking ride. We bout to ride, take the party outside. If they told you we don't really do this shit, they fucking lied.